boy Jimmy getting us right though, man. Big shout out to him. Where we got the tires at? What's it looking like? Looking good?
Yes, sir. We gotta get that bitch out.
You finna hook and book, baby. I see we got my boy Henchman out tonight. Fastest 6-gen Merrill right here, man. SoCal, y'all already know the deal with this. If y'all seen the channel, man. Big pray weight for the win, in case y'all don't know yet. Y'all already know we got my boy Tone. Fastest 6-speed Camaro in SoCal. So we pretty much got both of the fastest NA Merrills out here tonight. Getting spicy out here, man. Woo! That's that motherfucker right here. Get it, big hint? Yes, sir. Another fast ass Merrill right here, man. LT1.
So that's the roto fab. It's a 45-degree elbow on the frame bell mount on the roto fab.
Tricky car right there. BZ Racing. I know the 5-0 out here. He's trying to snack some motherfuckers up. Hopefully we can get a good lunch today. We're gonna see, man. Stay tuned. Y'all see we got the carbon fiber fixed. I told you I was gonna do that a couple of videos ago. Man, 5-0's looking good. We need to get another rear bumper. We're gonna be pretty much set after we get that done. But let's see what we got going on today, man. Let's go get some races. Hands for the motherfucking win, man.
Yes, sir.
Y'all know what it is. Listen to this ESS kit. Oh my god. Woo! Hard. Woo! Twin turbo. Look at that. God, that shit sound crazy. Got all the little oldies. You know these motherfuckers is moving. Sheesh. Woo! Gonna get nasty, man. Make sure I get some good content for you guys. Stay tuned. That 490 cap rate.
Oh yeah, man. Y'all see it. Back outside with Ken. Oh yeah, man. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I don't know how to use this shit.
What the fuck you gotta say, man?
6'4".
Oh, motherfucking 6'4". My nigga Mar blowing shit.
That's on a bad day.
That was on a light day. Bro, he had a...
Yeah, these motherfuckers up there tripping.
What?
I can't race with my metal stems in my wheels and my ABS lights is on.
Who? The guy that
Up there.
the guy that give you the slips? Yeah, he told me I need a helmet. I don't got a helmet. I'm just not gonna go to bro. Let me get it. We just put it in the car. It's that nigga Adam.
I need that 40 to 140, 130.
40, I'ma lose. I'ma lose off the 40. Oh shit, my line must be moving.
We finally got the slip, man. As you guys see, we ran a 6'4" at 118 miles per hour. Good miles per hour, and I spun a little bit. Was you able to tell outside?
And you let off up top.
Yeah, I let off. I did a low-key weak burnout too, so next time around, I'm gonna make sure I go ahead and get a better. See what?
And there's no Kirky.
Full weight. My boy Jay finna go, man. You already know he putting on for the camp right now. Big bad news for the motherfucking win. Finna see what he could do tonight, baby. At Irwindale, 8th mile, if you guys are wondering what size the track is, but woo! See what it is. Oh yeah. What do you think he gonna run tonight?
Early 7s.
Early 7s. Let's see. Got a little hell snack behind us. This motherfucker full race mode. Let me take that back. Look at this motherfucker real quick. Oh, it's a red eye.
Is this the last call?
I don't know. Oh shit. DH Tune Hellcats be moving, man. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm not gonna lie, they got some good ass tunes on it. Another Hellcat right here on a clean ass wheel setup. Kirky inside and everything, man. Y'all see what it is. Make sure y'all go check them out on the ground. I gotta run a 580 now. 3 more miles per hour. I could have hit that easy, bro.
I thought we were gonna run like a 4.9.
I can run faster than that, no cap. See what this one run.
Dude, snack them up.
I gotta run one of these Hellcats. All right, man, good ass night here at Arendelle. Had some issues with me running my car, so I'm not gonna get into that, but had some good ass runs, got 2 passes down the track. Cool with that. We didn't really get to hit the target speed that we were trying to hit, but we did trap our last run at 120 miles per hour. I'll show you guys the time slip in just a second. I know you guys remember this car from the shootout. I'm not gonna lie, this motherfucker fast as fuck. Running signs close to me.
All over it.
Let's see if we can hear 2 steps.
Don't let it go to third. Ooh, it's gonna stay in second. Yeah, that fucking thing sets it out. You're gonna do the burnout in second. Then, when you finish the burnout, remember this, just put it in D. So, like that, and then you're gonna push it over in D. That's it, bro. It's gonna fucking go. Then you're gonna hit the light, then you're gonna fucking over it. That's fucking crazy. Yeah, man. I mean, the DA's better. I don't know if you're gonna go. He's 5 pounds less than you. Hey, Eddie, you know how many people are driven this car? It's all good, bro. Let me go over it.
You ready, little bro?
Hell yeah.
Let's get it, man. Oh, man.
about to go.
And the helmet, so they don't know, because like 4 people are driven this car already.
What you
What do you
think?
think's gonna happen tonight?
What you think? You think Tone can handle it?
I don't know, dog. Hey, low key, my boy about to run like a 6 or something.
Hey, imagine he hit the tie the record. Hey, little bro.
All right, put it in D, bro. Put it in D. Light him up first. Get on the 2 steps. You're good. You're good.
The lighting is hitting the 5.0 crazy right now. Sheesh. Y'all see we got the 15s up in the front, 315s in the back. Car was doing an okay job on hooking. Wasn't lunching how we was expecting to lunch, but it's all good, man. It's all test and trial. We got to learn from somewhere, but we gonna catch you guys in a bit.